Sac passe, YouTube. Man, listen, if you're like me, I've been wanting to make money online for a long time. Ever since I heard about making money online, I looked into affiliate marketing, social media marketing, blogging. There's a lot of different opportunities I tried out, but it never made consistent income. To me, I love the flexibility, just being home and being able to control your time. So today's video is about how I'm making $100 a day. So this video is not really about me. The reason why I'm making this video, I know a lot of people are going through the pandemic. There's a lot of stuff going on. A lot of people lost their job, their business. I just want to share what I'm doing right now. So just in case, if you want to take advantage of it, then you can too. If you're subscribed to my channel, and you should already know what I'm doing. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, the way that I'm making $100 a day online is by being a remote online notary.
What?
When you're signing important documents, they require you to have a partial witness. They need someone to verify your identity. If it's a document that's very important, like a will, a power of attorney, it doesn't matter. But if it's an important document, you need a notary public to notarize that document. A remote online notary does the same thing. The person could be anywhere in the world. As long as I'm in Florida, because I'm commissioned in Florida, I could notarize for someone all across the world. It doesn't matter what country or what state the person is. As long as I'm in Florida, which is my commission state, then I could notarize their document. All you need is a laptop and a webcam. You could work every day, or you could work 5 days a week. However amount of hours that you want to work, you can do so. First thing first, not everybody could take advantage of this opportunity. But depending on your state, you can. And it does require an investment, right? So you have to invest in yourself. It is really worth it. And secondly, you need to figure out which platform that you want to use, and the software allows you to upload the person document, verify their identity. It lets you do all the things that you have to do when it comes to notarizing their document. For every notarization I do, I get $5.
What?
And you're probably thinking to yourself, what? Only $5? Get this, it only takes me 5 to 7 minutes to do it. In an hour, I usually do 5 or 6. In the low end, sometimes I'll do 4, but usually, by average, you should be able to do 5 to 6 notarizations in 1 hour. If you try to compare it to a job, you're making $20 to $30 an hour. That's why, if you do the math, you start realizing that you could make $100 very quickly. So by working 4.5 to 6 hours, you will make $100 easy. Initially, I was just going to become a notary loan signing agent, whereas I would have to physically drive to the person's house, notarize their documents, show them where to sign, initial, date, just do a bunch of different things, right? In the process of becoming a loan signing agent, I stumbled across the remote online notary opportunity. The good thing with becoming a remote online notary is the fact that you can do loan signings online. Not only you could do general notary work online, but you could also do loan signings online. If you're watching this video and you never heard about becoming a notary public, this probably sounds like Chinese to you. It probably don't make any sense. Don't worry about it. If you're interested in the opportunity, I've created a video called How I Became a Remote Online Notary. I'm going to link that video in the description. Just click on and just watch that video, and it's gonna show you step by step what I did. And before you do so, do your own little research and try to find out if it's something you're interested in. Because one thing for sure, even though money is good, it's not like it's gonna make you rich, it's not gonna make you a millionaire, but at the same time, you have to like what you're doing, because it's a full-blown business. I tried a bunch of different businesses, and I wanted to get into a business that was consistent. And one thing that I like about being a notary public is that there's so many different ways to make money. I've been doing it for 3.5 months. I like it. I just wanted to share it to you, just in case if you needed to hear this, because I know there's a lot going on. A lot of people are looking for ways to make money. A lot of people can't pay their rent and things of that sort. But anyways, thank you all for watching this video. This was a quick little video I just wanted to put out there. Nothing too serious. And shout out to all my subscribers, everybody that's been watching my videos. I truly appreciate y'all. I'm gonna make sure to document my journey and everything that I'm learning about the business that I'm doing right now. I will make sure to share it. You know, shout out to all my notaries. You know what I mean? Make sure to put your state and make sure to put Notary Gang in the comments. Thank you all for supporting this channel always, for watching my videos, liking, subscribing. I appreciate all of y'all. So my name is Edgy, and I'm out.